What's up, everybody? Your boy CJ back with another video, and as you guys see in the title, your boy got engaged. So this past summer was one to remember, full with memories, full of a lot of wisdom, experience, and I just remember when my girlfriend actually at the time stayed for a month in my city in Boston. We're long distance, and when she left, I just remember the pain I was feeling in my heart. I really felt like I can't do this. This distance. I can't do it anymore. We have to come together. And I didn't know if I was just talking emotionally or just more out of the fact that I feel like I serve God way better with her. And I just remember my parents sat me down and they had a conversation saying, "We think you should engage to this woman." I was like, my parents, right? Crazy. So all that to say, they put that nugget in my head. I asked her parents for a blessing and they gave me it. So once I got the green light from God and my advisors, I really went for it. I went for it with faith. I went for it with no money. I went for it with really like not much to prove. And mind you, I'm actually getting ready to move to Canada, so I won't be able to work. So I shared a story to say to those who maybe are inspired by me or the fact that I got engaged. There is really no perfect time to make the best decision, the second best decision besides making Jesus Lord in your life. And what I mean is, at the end of the day, your disciplines are going to be the thing that carry you. Like, your financial disciplines, your mental discipline, your spiritual disciplines. Those are the things that really matter. If you put God's favor into a man that can be faithful with it and disciplined with it, good things are going to come for it. So I say it out to say, take this from me. I don't have my whole life figured out before I made the decision. I didn't know if I'd be able to cover the wedding before I made this decision. I really made the decision with faith, with wisdom, with insight, with fasting. And ultimately, I don't regret it. It wasn't too early. Honestly, I wish I did it sooner. Just knowing the barriers that I had put on my mind, that I need to be all put together and that I need to have my career figured out. I just understand that God moves in steps. He moves in seasons. And He will give you that whisper. He will give you that wisdom on when the time is for you. So I want to share with you guys this process of everything. It was such a beautiful story, beautiful testimony, and I can't wait to share it with her one day when God joins us as one. Love you guys. Let's get straight to this video, man. Let's go. The idea would be like this right here, but more like a radio.
Steal your phone. This is also yellow bronze. Did you want yellow versus white?
Yeah, yellow.
100%.
I should look at it.
Okay. So let me ask you something. In the jewelry that she has, what color is it?
Gold.
Radiant cut stone.
Yeah, radiant cut.
Long radiant. All right. Do you have? There's no right or wrong answers. I'm gonna go get some loose stones. Do you know how big a diamond you want? And if you don't, and you shouldn't know the answer anyway. Okay, so let me ask you three questions. Do you know what finger size?
6.
Good. It's tiny. That's good. I'm going to bring some loose stones out to you. Dollars and cents, where do you want to be?
In a perfect world, I was looking to see if I could get anything around the 1,000 range, 1,000, 1,200. I'm not sure. I just don't know how much it is.
So if I started you hypothetically with, let me go to this. I'll be right back.
Okay.
And I don't have one to show you, but my educated guess, if I could get one that would be 2-ish, the setting alone is $1,000. Gold price of gold is through the roof. So the setting alone is about 1,000.
Actually looked at the text. I think she wanted like a 2 carat. I didn't know 2 carat was like the size.
Yeah, so a 2 carat natural diamond is going to start at about 20.
Yeah, which I don't think that's her vision for a natural.
Right. So, but a 2 carat lab,
Yeah.
which I don't carry, you'd be in your price range. It would be probably $1,200.
Oh, okay.
I just don't carry those.
Yeah. It's funny. Yeah, I was like, oh.
Yep.
It's good. It's a good thing to know, though. Hey, man. So this has been the journey. We went to about 3-4 jewelers before finding the one, and all of them had different stuff to offer. No, it's not like any of them were bad or any of them was questionable. I really was just going to see like what a good price range could be for what my vision was. So now I didn't really know anything about rings. Okay, I was asking literally her best friends about like the ring process. And I'm like, yo, like, okay, she wants like a 2 carat. How much is a 2 carat? That can't be that much, right? The dude was talking about some 20K. So I'm like, yeah, that's not my budget. Sorry, but I was trying to find a good place where I can get a good starter size that I can eventually size up. Some places were charging about the budget I set for about a 1/2 carat. The place that we ended up finding, which I didn't fully document, I don't have the footage at least, where giving me a 1.2 size carat for about the same price range I was looking for. And that's amazing, right? For those of y'all in the Boston area, I won't gatekeep the place. It's called VRAI, okay? VRAI. And I was able to get a nice ring, a really nice ring for about 1.6. All right. So just to show you guys, I'm not balling, okay? This is like some money I had in my savings. And even then I couldn't access it. Yeah, bro. So we moving with faith. Yes, sir. So we ordered the ring with faith. I would advise anybody getting a ring, make sure it's in your savings, okay? Don't just like put like the last of your cash on there. Like even if you save, say, 300 a month, that's about 6 months of saving 300 a month, and that's exactly how much my ring costs, pretty much. So be intentional, not spontaneous. Gotta say, she is brilliant. I will say it multiple times. She is so smart. I'm coordinating this whole process. She knows nothing about what I'm doing, okay? But one thing about women, they already plan their wedding. They already know how it's gonna go. So now she's trying to plan a timeline of when she thinks we should get engaged. The amount of deflecting I had to do during this time had to be studied, bro. So not only that, this is the height of Christian couple engagement. Let me tell you right now, I love y'all, man. I'm in the Christian community too. Y'all gotta chill. Y'all was setting the standard so high of like, oh my gosh, we've been dating for 3 months. We gotta, let me know, bro. This was peak Christian influencer engagement season. Oh my goodness gracious. So you combine that with the fact that we are already long distance, it just amplified everything so much that was a conversation we had almost like every other day. And I'm trying to deflect. I'm like, no, whoa, I don't know about that. We gotta pray about that. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I just got back from the gym. It arrived, man. Hold on. My whole life is literally about to change. Literally in a matter of 3 days from now, like 3-4 days from now. It's Wednesday, so 4 days. But let me tell y'all, I'm excited, nervous, and almost like it's really like me, like out of all people, is gonna get engaged. It's a blessing, to be honest. It's all God, because I was not worthy of meeting someone as amazing as this woman. I've done God so bad for him to bless me like this, man. I'm just beyond grateful. Who he is. Open up the box a little bit. I'm dead nervous. Live reaction. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look. It's like glistening, boy. This thing is glistening. You see that? Wow, bruh. Nice diamond. It's beautiful, man. When you see something like this, when you actually see the ring for the first time, you almost get that like lock-in feeling, bro. It's like that lock-in feeling, dude. It's not very often that you find someone that you're just so confident about. And like, I have all faith in God ultimately, but in her. She's an amazing woman. She loves me, man. I love her so dearly. This is how love could really move the heart. So I'm excited. I said a lot, but bruh, y'all gonna see the real me when we get there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna be vlogging some of the experience. I won't vlog the whole thing because then she might think something's up if I vlog. I normally don't vlog. And even when I did, one time she kind of like put the hands up with the camera. So if I were to do it again after a year, I think she would think something's up. So I'm gonna vlog all the way up, to Canada, in the in-betweens, the setups and everything. But I won't really vlog her until, it's time. I came 2 days early. That's what we're looking at right here. Wow. It's a real diamond ring. Super nice. Sparkly custom made.
Nice. Love it.
Let me give you guys some backstory. So there was 2 big things that were going on around this time. 1, it was engagement season. Every Christian couple and their mom was getting engaged. 2, she is not great with surprises. So when I told her I was going to visit her in Canada on the 24th, she thought, okay, it's happening. It has to happen, or maybe not at all. So it's either all or nothing. So my job was to keep her grounded. I wanted her to have maybe a little bit of hope, but it's a surprise, so just let me cook, okay? So what I did, there was a movie about a guy who asked his girlfriend's parents for their blessing. And what I did was, when that happened, I was like, oh wow, this must be a crazy conversation. I need to prepare for a conversation like that. She goes, wait, so you haven't asked my parents yet? I'm like, oh my gosh, not yet. Whoa, that'd be bold. That'd be a bold thing to do. As soon as I seen her face change, I texted her mom right away. Cindy might come to you about the concept of asking parents for a blessing. So I told her, please shut it down, like just shut it down. They did that and more. So she called me just expressing how sad she was. She's the sweetest girl ever, but I just had to cook with the surprise, bro.
You clearly see that I want this.
Oh, I know it.
And
I know it.
And
I want you to trust me that like we got this, okay? And I know like how bad you want this. I know how bad I want to do this. I know there's a lot of hurdles, and that's life. You couldn't make this come any sooner by putting any burden on you. because you're not the one proposing. You're not the one planning. You're not the one asking for blessing. You're not one for that. That's me. I only say that because it's not going to change the pace if you worry about it anymore. Like, it's just not. They have their blessing to give me, whether that's now or you can't change that. Even if you tried, you can definitely have a conversation with them at some point.
We did not have this conversation.
Yeah, we didn't. We did that for sure. But I'll have a conversation with them at some point. We're going to do this, okay? Let's run the prayer, baby. Let's run the prayer. All right, y'all. So it's about that time. I getting ready, packing my bags. The morning of, you know how it be, man. But this whole past week has been crazy. We thought she was gonna work, and then her mom talked to her bosses about not having to work. I want to see her reaction when she finds like all this was coordinated and talked about to her peers. But anyways, I'm about to pack everything. I'm bringing my camera equipment, and then while she's at work, I'm gonna wrap up with her brothers and her cousin to try to figure out everything, get the flowers, bam, bam. Yeah, it's in motion, y'all. Let's get it.
See how it rains and watch all the seasons change around me. That Christ love compels me.
Heaven sent, I made from your design, so I can't keep on crying. Remember days when I was in denial, look how I'm living now. Graduated from the world, that's why I keep my cap and gown. My old friends look at me different now,
But today's agenda, I'm gonna go visit Sydney before she goes to work. She works from like 10 to 4, 10 to 3, and then 5 to 9:30, I believe. So she's working 2 jobs. She's grinding. She's proud of you, baby. But hey, I'm gonna go get my cut for sure. Get my cut, get some food. Yeah, that's kind of like Saturday so far. I'm gonna walk into a barbershop right now. It's one thing to go away from your barber at home. It's another thing to go away from your barber that you met in another country. So now I'm going to a formal because he's booked up. A little nervous, to be honest, but we'll see how this turns out. It's gonna be better than this, I'm sure. Yo, cut's finished, bro. Shout out to my dog. What's the name again? My phone. Hesse. That's my boy Hesse. Bro, y'all Ottawa barbers do it right, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be back. Yo, so the barbers out here, I'll be honest, bro. They do their thing, bro. I'll be back, bro. I will definitely be back when I come to Ottawa. I got 2 spots I go to. If you ever dare to what you call cheat on your barber in Boston, bro, like it could either be a solid decision or one of the worst decisions you can make in your life. And it's not even to say that the barbers are bad. It's just like your barber knows your style. You know what I'm saying? Like they kind of get it. They're here in Ottawa. They're very versatile. Like I'm not gonna lie, they're versatile. They know how to cut every style of hair. Like that's what I'm talking about, bro. All right, y'all. So we're on our way to the proposal spot. Sorry for the time gap. I'm not proposing just yet tomorrow, but I'm going to check it out because I always want to get a feel of it. You know, I want to walk down that path and I almost try to pre-experience it and just know where I'm going, by the way. I wouldn't want to walk there with like a headless chicken. So I'm going to go scout it out, see what it's like, and I'll see you guys at the park. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to give you a summary of the view. So I'm so glad that we drove up before because the pictures looked amazing. As you guys can see, these are the pictures of what we thought was going to be. When I got there, it was closed down. They had the barriers around it. They had fences around it. The area that we saw with this rock right here was on a main street, so there would have been cars coming. So it was great that I got to scout this out because I'm like, okay, good. The view that we thought was actually beautiful isn't exactly what we seen it to be. But as I was on my way out, I turned into a lot by accident because I thought I was going the way of the exit. I actually came across this beautiful garden right here. This is the best view I've ever seen in my life. You walk up the stairs and it's a whole view just of nature and open forest garden. I actually got there and when people were taking their pre-wedding photos. So I was like, yo, this is perfect. I stumbled on it by accident. I'm so glad we came here because we didn't even know about this place. Everything's going smooth at this point. We picked the location. I'm about to pick her up from work and we're about to go home. All we got to do is get the girl there. But once again, it's very hard to surprise Sydney, and she tells me that she booked a hair appointment for 12 p.m. around the time we're going to do the, feel me? I'm like, just be free. Like, you know, she's trying to get her hair perfect. She's trying to find the right dress. Her thing is she had a dream dress, dream hairstyle, everything. I'm like, girl, that's not happening. You can't know when the surprise is going to come. We back. Hey, y'all, I just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm on my way to her place now. We're going to watch virtual church service this Sunday. And after that, she has a hair appointment that she's going to. In that midst, I'm going to the place to set up everything and prepare the way for her to be a fiance. I'm so thankful for everybody in this area that's like just wrapped their love around me, my family and one of her good friends from Boston are coming up right now. And she's gonna be surprised about the whole thing. Like, man, I feel like a little kid, bro. I haven't been this excited for something in like, well, obviously when I asked her out, but I don't know, man. I'm gonna stay happy, bro. I'm gonna see my excitement. All right, y'all, just made it to her place. We're supposed to be watching virtual service, and she's just getting ready. And as she leaves, I'm gonna coordinate everybody, like her cousin, her brother, and everybody, to go straight to the picnic spot. She was literally telling me yesterday, like, one of her biggest prayer requests I could pray for her for is patience for that time to come. She can't wait for this moment. But little does she know it was gonna be the next day, today, August 24th. So, yeah. I think I'm generally, like, feeling it now. Like, for me, when I'm problem solving, I kind of don't think, I just keep it moving. But now that I'm just being still, I'm like, in moments, I'm gonna be a fiance, and it's all to the goodness of God. It's not because I'm so great of a man, nothing. It's all because of His grace, and it's like He wanted me to be one, you know? I'm just super grateful. You just, yeah, I'm so grateful. I'll probably say that 50 times today, but this is so amazing, bro. Got these things in the basement.
It was supposed to rain all weekend.
Yeah, it was literally supposed to rain all weekend. Yo! Get this documented. I think over there with the pillars will be nice. Because I walked over there before. It's really just a bunch of homes and stuff, so. Yo, that's crazy.
Wait, is it a video?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, hi, future Sydney.
Future Sid, you ready?
You're engaged now.
Huh?
I said you're engaged now.
Fiance.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's wild. Right?
Okay. I'm
This is
gonna cry now. This is so beautiful, CJ.
This is amazing.
Sydney!
Shout out Cam. Yes, sir.
Wait, this looks perfect. Like, this looks perfect.
Yeah, this looks like elite. Like,
And then those flowers, though, do we want to leave it there or do we want to spread them out? Bro, we're actually littering right now. This is littering.
No, low key. Those are real rose petals.
Okay, ready, CJ? Sydney walks up. Jordan, go be Sydney. Go be Sydney, come on. Okay, Sydney walks up.
Don't say for me, but yeah.
Hold on, we gotta get...
Switch, let me record.
No, it's okay. Okay, wait, that's actually a good, that's a good
You
angle.
go there. Him looking at me, it felt weird. In a real way.
Wait, do it one more time. We just need to see your back. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, CJ, are you ready?
it's happening. I'm gonna walk into it. Whatever emotion happens.
Let me get a picture with him though.
Happens,
On my phone
okay.
though. Have one.
We can have it all. On my head.